Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this realistic lion. This is following after my realistic tiger video, which I have linked down below, and you can follow that one along too. I hope that you enjoy this video. Please follow along with whatever materials you feel comfortable with. Pencils, I'm using a Sharpie, but if you want to erase along the way, you could always feel free to just use pencil. All right, let's get started. So to start the lion, I'm going to, I want to do like a really big profile. So I'm going to start about here on my page, so towards the top, leaving some room for the mane and more room for the face over here. And I'm going to draw a downward sloping line. Lions don't have like they have like a very intense angle going down. And there's like a gentle slope here. And then it follows down into the nose like that. It's only a gentle curve in and then it goes down. Okay, now I'm going to continue through the nose, curving in. Okay, then I'm going to draw the nose like this, a curved line going in. Okay, and then a shape. If you get a shape similar to that, just a gentle curved line in. They also have black noses, so I'm just gonna shade this nose in. I'm gonna fill this in black. Okay, now I'm gonna continue down to the cheek here. So from the point of the nose, I'm going to draw a curved line that curves down in, and then as it curves in, it also curves down a bit. So like a slight curve down in until it sort of ends like this at a downward slope here. I'm going to leave that alone for just a second. I'm going to revisit this. Then I'm going to do the bottom lip. And the bottom lip is going to be hairy, so I want to give the illusion of that. So instead of doing a simple line, I'm going to use dashed lines to draw a curved shape that goes down and then in like that. Okay, so I just want to give an illusion of fur. Now to draw the lip here, to finish this off, I'm going to connect about halfway across my line here. Then I'm going to give it like a bottom lower lip here that I'm going to fill in black. Okay, so this is the side profile, more or less finished. So now we're just going to go back up to the eye. The eye is going to start at about where this slope is. It's going to start here. So not down here, but like a little bit higher up. And the first thing I will do is around this, from like this point, I'm going to draw a sort of V shape. A sort of line sloping down. And then about a little bit, give a little bit of space here. I'm going to draw a half circle. Finish off the corner right there. And the corner on this side, and I'm going to give a little corner over there just to give the appearance of cat eyes. Okay, lions have round pupils, unlike house cats who have slits. So about halfway. Okay, I'm going to do that. And it's already shaping up to look like a lion, right? Pretty simple so far. So everything from here on out is just going to be fur and a little bit of shading. I'm going to take this top line here and just going to connect it sort of up like that. Give like the lion like a serious brow. Maybe add a few dashes here. And then same thing here, I want to give a little bit more depth and dimension. So I'm going to draw some dashes down through the nose. So longer, and then the lines get kind of shorter. And then I'm going to add a few dashes here. Now, lions have whiskers just like any other cat. I'm going to draw some dots on the cheeks that are rounded, that are like curved lines along the cheek there. All right, now I'm going to quickly draw the ear here. So the ear is sort of over and up a little bit from the eye. So over from the corner, up a little bit higher. And I'm going to do the ear starting here. This is going to be the bottom corner of the ear. This is going to be the top corner of the ear. Okay, and just a C shape there. And give it a little extra. And there, and that's the ear of the lion. And I'm going to draw some lines to indicate hair. All right, now lions have big, gorgeous manes, so I'm going to draw that next, starting with some lines that are closest to the face. Every time I say line, I'm like, haha, line. No pun intended. Okay, so I'm just drawing some curved lines. Lions have big manes. So instead of one continuous line, I'm just going to draw dashed lines. Okay, and I'm going to follow through with those dashes here. Then I'm going to skip this for a second and go down here. And draw these. So it's like a combination of lines and this. Okay, and I'm just gonna do some more. So if you see, I'm just following a general kind of shape here. And they're just jagged lines that I'm doing quickly, like flicking my marker over. Okay, and then maybe lastly, I'll add just a little bit of kind of shading over here, sort of with lines. Okay. And there you have it. There's my lion. Oh, maybe I'll just add a couple of little dashes here. Goodness, I could just keep going with these sorts of drawings forever and keep adding more and more details. But I'm pretty happy with the way that this lion came out. I'm gonna color him in, and then I'll join you in a bit. Okay, I'm just gonna color the lion in very loosely using just 2 colors, and these are just alcohol markers. You could use whatever you have. Lines are pretty easy to color because they're pretty much like just 1 or 2 colors. And I'm just gonna leave like a little bit of white next to the nose and the eyes. And I also get lighter around their lip area. It's very loose. Then I'm going to go in with a second shading color. Just do a little bit of shading. All right, there you have it. There is my lion. I hope that you enjoyed following along with this video. I hope you were able to follow along easy enough and get some good practice for drawing realistic animals. So stay tuned for next time. I will continue to show you how to draw what look like pretty hard things, but break it down into more easy steps. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.